what's up? Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I will be showing you all how I achieved this makeup look right here. So this is something like a everyday sort of practical makeup look that you guys can wear on a daily basis. Also, if you are an office going person or somebody who love doing makeup on daily basis, then you guys can definitely try this makeup look out. Also guys, all of the product I have used in this makeup tutorial is very affordable. Like all of the products are like under rupees 700 or 800. I will be linking down all of the product detail, name, everything in the bottom bar, so you guys can check that out before leaving this video. Also guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family. It means world to me. Also guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever I'll upload new video. You can even follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. And now guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started.
So I'm gonna start off by applying a sunscreen on my face. For that I'll be using this Pond's sun protection, and I'm going to apply a huge amount of sunscreen on my face because guys, why not? I'm doing this makeup in a daytime, and guys, applying a sunscreen is really important. Also, it plays a very crucial role in your skincare as well. And if you guys are not even stepping outside of your house, then do guys apply a sunscreen. So after applying a sunscreen, I'm gonna wait at least 10 to 12 minutes so the sunscreen sink in properly. So guys, the next step is I'm going to apply a foundation. For that I'll be using this Nykaa's Skin Shield foundation in the shade 08. So I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and I'm just going to apply that with this Real Technique brush. So guys, basically I'm just applying little bit because I really don't want to cake up my face. So I'm just applying it little bit. Also, I'm just focusing on the area where I need little bit of coverage. I'm not just going to apply it all over my face like with the heavy handed. Also guys, this foundation is really amazing. I really like this foundation. The reason being guys, it blends out so easily. Also, it feels like nothing on my skin, like very light it is. So basically whatever is left on that brush, I'm just going to apply on my neck as well. Next up guys, I'll be applying a concealer. For that I'll be using this Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 0 Light. So I'm just going to apply this concealer around my eyes, nowhere else, because guys, again, I really don't want to cake up my skin. So I have applied that under my eyes, so that is the area I want little bit of coverage. And with the help of same Real Technique brush, I'm just going to blend out this concealer. And guys, this is one of the best drugstore concealer which is available in the market guys, because this is really affordable. Also guys, it does a great job on your skin, so you should definitely give it a try if you're looking for a good affordable concealer under rupees 500. Now guys, to set everything into place, so for that I'll be using this Sugar Cosmetics Set the Tone Tinted Powder, and I think I'm in the shade 15. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes with the help of Real Technique small powder brush. I really love this brush because guys, it is perfect to powder the under eye area. Also guys, this powder is really amazing because it really helps to control the sebum. Like, I have horrible oily skin, so also I'm mainly focusing on the area where I get oily most. But guys, this powder is really amazing. I really love this one rather than the Fit Me one. After completing my base makeup, now I'm going to start off by grooming my eyebrow. For that I'll be using this Sugar Cosmetic Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 04. And guys, this brow definer comes with a spoolie on one end and the product on another hand, which make this brow definer so amazing and also compact and travel friendly. So I'm just gonna start off by first outlining my eyebrow, and then I'm going to feel the sparse area. Like I'm going to mainly focus on the area where I have gap. Also guys, this eyebrow pencil is so amazing. It have the perfect pigmentation, also the correct payoff that an eyebrow need. So I just love this eyebrow pencil. Like, this is one of my favorite eyebrow pencil of all time, you guys. And now guys, I'm going to comb out my eyebrow with the spoolie brush just to distribute all of the product into my eyebrow. So guys, the another eyebrow I will be doing off camera. And yes guys, I am done. Next up guys, I'll be applying little bit of blush on my cheeks just to add some dimension to my face, because I'm not going to use any contouring or any bronzing. So for that I'll be using this Fit Me blush, and I'm just going to apply that with the stippling brush because I really love applying my blush with the stippling brush. Also this blush have such a nice rosy sort of color which look really amazing. Also guys, I have used the same blush on my eyelid as well, just to add tinge of color on my lid. Now I'll be taking this Maybelline Tattoo Line crayon pen in the shade brown, and I'm just going to draw a line close to my upper lashes, and with the help of a flat brush I'm just going to blend out that kajal. So initially guys, what I'm trying to do is I just want my eyeliner to have a smudged effect, like a very soft one, so it will look little natural rather than being the artificial or very streaks, which I really don't like. Also I really like this pencil, again my favorite one, and I'm just keep repeating this process until I get the desired result. And now guys, with the same pencil I'm just going to tight line my waterline as well, just to make my eye makeup look complete. And guys, with the help of same flat brush I'm just going to smudge out my waterline as well, just to look more softer and smooth. Now guys, I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. So I really want my lash to be lifted because I really have very small eyelashes. I can barely see anything is there on my eyes. And now I'm going to apply a mascara. For that I'll be using this Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes with the same. By the way guys, I'm really impressed with this mascara. Like, this is the first time that I'm using it and I'm really loving it. The result blown me out, because guys, it's perfectly like lengthening my lashes, also it perfectly curling, and also adding a good amount of volume that my lashes need. And guys, I am somebody who is really picky with my mascara because I cannot spend my money on anything when it comes to mascara. So I really like this one. Now to add some color on my lips, for that I'll be using this L'Oreal lipstick, and I'm just going to apply that on my lips, and then with the help of a finger I'm just going to smudge it out just to add little bit of gradient. Now guys, I'm going to add a highlighter on my face. For that I'll be using this Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is in a rose gold, and with the help of this Real Technique brush I'm just going to apply that on the highest point of my face, like my cheekbones, my brow bone, also on my tip of my nose, and around my mouth, lips, and everywhere. And yes guys, here I almost finished my makeup, and I'm just patting little bit of powder again, just in case I won't get oily very quickly. Also I have applied a makeup fixer as well from the pack one, but I missed the clip, so sorry for that. And yes guys, this is my final look. It is like a perfect everyday sort of makeup look and very minimal as well. And I hope you like this video. Please shower some love on my channel, and guys, till then, bye, see ya, take care.